So we're working towards getting you into your single leg bridge. And you should have at this point done your double leg bridge and then you're marching. But now we're going to do a single leg lower. So again, your instructor will have told you if you're on your heels or your toes. But you're going to press down into your feet, allow your tail to start to roll up, and you're going to come up into your double leg bridge, just like you've done before. Remember our marching, so stand into one foot, pelvis stays level as we float that thigh up. And then from here, you're just going to lay yourself down again on one leg. Everything's the same. You're still looking for the same thing as you were doing when you did it double leg. So press down into your feet. Feel that trigger your tailbone to roll and keep your knees shooting over your feet so that your head stays relatively quiet. Is your body just hanging off your legs? Press into your opposite leg and you'll float the other leg up. Can you lay your spine towards your heels rather than just down into the mat? Good, and again. So again, we want to start to feel that you're not using your hands too much and we're trying not to lose that quality of movement. So we want to create space in your spine as we come down. And we want to really fire up the back of those legs. So again, you're looking for that. Can your heel pull towards your bottom? Can your knees go away from you? It's like you've created a circle of energy in your lower legs. Really press into one leg to let the other leg just float. Have your hip bone stayed level? And then roll yourself back down again, trying to get towards your sofa. So you can tell if you're going wonky when you do this, not only by looking, but I want you to start to notice your back. So are you laying the muscles on the sides of your spine down at the same time, or do you get to the bottom and tip back? So you're going to again scan your body, really try and feel what you're doing. So ask yourself questions. This is how you build up that postural awareness so you know where you are in space.